The first method is a series circuit. As you see here, in a series circuit, all the components are connected in a single path. بصوا معايا هنا. يعني كل الكومبوننتس متوصلة ورا بعضها بواير واحد بس. يعني كلهم متوصلين على نفس السترينج. If one component stops working, the circuit is opened. This is because in the series circuit it provides only one path for an electric current to flow from the energy source through the circuit and back to the source again. Have a closer look at this model. There is one path at which the circuit is connected, in which the electric current flow from the power source, which is the battery, and the device, which is the lamp that uses the energy, and the electric current that keep flowing until to the second lamp. Finally, the electric current reaches the other end of the power source to form a closed loop. Let's try this. When we turn the circuit on, we observe that all the lamps are working. So what will happen when we remove one lamp? Let's consider that this lamp will be damaged. So we're going to remove it. Did you observe that the other lamps are not working? Any component in an electric circuit that consume energy or power, for example, the light bulb, is called a load. We call it a load because it carries a load or voltage that transferred the energy that passed from the battery to another source. The only problem that we have in the series circuit is what happened in the investigative phenomenon. If one bulb gets broken or burned out, all the bulbs in the circuit would go out. Think, why does this happen? طيب ليه بيحصل ده؟ Exactly, because there will be a gap in the electric circuit. The circuit wouldn't be closed anymore, and it's no longer a closed path. The bulb that burned out acted as a switch that turned off in the circuit, so the electric current was disconnected. If we wanted to turn on a string of bulbs at the same time and turn off one bulb, or ensure that if there is a problem in one bulb that will not affect the rest of the bulbs, we will need the second way, which is parallel circuit. What is the parallel circuit? Let's see. In this case, the bulbs will be connected to different paths. As we see here, there are 3 lamps and each one has its own path. تعالوا نشوف ده بيتم ازاي. In a parallel circuit, the components are connected to the power source with different wires. Each device or lamp has its own wire that connected to the source of electricity. So, if one path is broken, the other remains closed. Now, let's see and try it. Okay, let's try it. As we see here, all the lamps are working. What will happen when we remove one lamp? Or let's consider that one lamp will be damaged. As you see, the other lamps are not affected.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.